Oh, Pompelino, how many times do I have to tell you? Don't touch the compass. It's not a toy, you mischievous little furball. Now look, it's gone. Vanished into thin air like your last snack. Always causing trouble. But still, I just can't stay mad at you. You silly, sparkly, stripy-tailed troublemaker. I do love you, you know, even when you're a complete disaster.